Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here. So today we are going to make an updated video about the 100 billion rand Waterfall city project right here in Midrand, Gauteng in South Africa. The dream is coming true. Don't you believe me? Stay tuned. Okay, so now we're gonna start this video with a beautiful stretch of road that was just finished a few weeks ago that goes all the way from Waterfall to Kyalami. Look at this beautiful stretch. Magnificent. And of course also see all the construction of all these residential areas around Waterfall. So if you were able to get the house here, congratulations. If you're working in the surrounding areas, congratulations. Guys, let me show you everything that is going on because this video definitely will blow your mind. This beautiful stretch of road from Waterfall City to Kyalami. Now we're just going to see some sort of developments around here. You guys can see things are moving. In terms of rents on these apartments, they say around here 6,400 per month. That's the precinct there. We've already done a video about it. It's probably a success because they carry on building, so good stuff. Like you see, this is literally here. You guys can see where we are.
Imagine a bustling city emerging amidst the rolling landscape of Midrand, a visionary marvel that soared to incredible heights in recent years and will be valued at an astonishing 100 billion rand by 2027, but let's push it to 2030, just saying. This ambitious project, known as Waterfall, will be home to 28,000 residential units, welcoming some 80,000 residents, spanning a colossal 1.6 million square meters. Its commercial and office spaces will boost and host another 80,000 professionals.
Okay, so we have a lot of businesses around here, especially pharmaceutical companies. Pharmaceutical companies actually open their head offices here at Waterfall. You can see the nice modern buildings that we have around here. Good. So to mention also, Amazon already opened their head offices right here in Waterfall. Show you guys the head office from outside. Convention center is also going to be built. In a bit. You guys see that Waterfall is definitely not only a place to live but also a place to work and a hub of convenience, because you also have Mall of Africa. And if you are lucky enough to get your job around this area, you can see more head office being built. And of course I also have two gyms, so we got Planet Fitness Signature and we also have Virgin Active. right up the road. Oh, and of course BMW. There you go. We also have two hotels, so the Courtyard Hotel and the City Lodge. You can see that it's called the Waterfall Ridge Urban Park. You can also see your PSG also has office here, Cisco, and Mix 93.8. Or the Mall of Africa. One of the most popular malls in Gauteng. Okay, that's the other hotel, the City Lodge. Then of course, if you guys want to see things more in detail, you can also see the Waterfall City playlist that we have been developing. If you guys see that thing there, that building there is the Vantage data center. That's Deloitte's head office, right? Guys, we have done also a video inside of it, so make sure you check it. We have CCTV all over. Can we say? All of Africa, PwC building. At this point we just need KPMG to move in also. So Cummins also serviced on that side. You guys have an idea what's the end game, right?
Wait, Waterfall isn't just making waves locally, it's a global sensation, winning prestigious Best International Mixed-Use Development Award 2 years running. The accolades don't stop there. It's also clinched Best Mixed-Use Development in Africa for 5 consecutive years. These honors, celebrated at the renowned International Property Awards in London, underscore its unparalleled excellence in design, service, and innovation. Behind this triumph lies meticulous planning and unwavering dedication from a diverse team of visionaries and partners. Since 2004, the Waterfall Management Company has led this charge, transforming 2,200 acres into a vibrant fiber-ready haven where life, work, and leisure harmoniously converge. It's not just a development, it's a testament to South Africa's prowess in property development on the global stage. Waterfall isn't merely shaping skylines, it's also forging communities, cultivating prosperity, and setting a new standard for urban living in Africa and beyond. Wow, but wait, already a hub of activity, Waterfall employs 24,000 people today, with plans to create a staggering 85,000 job opportunities upon completion. Its economic impact is equally impressive, contributing nearly 300 million rand annually in rates and taxes to Johannesburg, a figure expected to surpass 1 billion per year once fully realized.
There's a big warehouse around here. You see things just carry on being built. A lot of stuff happening. And of course, Sandton is just there. You guys can see the size of these mega warehouses. Big business right here in Waterfall. So we're doing the now on the other side of the road. You guys can see the amount of houses, the highway. Okay, you guys can see also there. So every time that someone comes inside of a new company comes into Waterfall, so they make sure they show everyone that you just came in. So it was also a good marketing strategy, I must say. And world best mixed use development in 2023, eh? Who knew? So cameras everywhere. You can say that's a nice twist. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys, of course, Ellipse Towers. If you want to see the video, make sure you check the playlist down below. Ellipse Tower, actually 4 of them. The 4th must be being done now or starting to. Okay, that's another side. Definitely a success story right here in Gauteng, Joburg. Okay. The convention center will be done here. Okay, so that's the Fortis. Sure. Being inside of Waterfall with so many cameras, like you are inside of a police state. Which, yeah, we need to understand because from overseas, you know, from big corporates, and we can't allow things to happen, you know. Okay, so let's turn around here. There you go, guys. This is where Amazon is. Next is Waterfall. Okay, so Vartus, you can see the new stretch of road right there. Courtyard is there. It's one of the main intersections. Okay, so that's another very important intersection. Or Bridgestone also here with their head office. You guys get the idea. By the way, they have a very nice view from the top of the hotel, so give it a try. Also bar, see the video down. Yeah, look at it. Stunning, eh? Okay, I can see, give you guys a clear view of the BMW dealership and also of all those buildings that side. Okay, so this is like the commercial side of it. As you can see, Roman's Pizza, Kung Fu Kitchen, IQ, fixed eggs, so anything you guys need to make your shopping, and yada yada. It's all here, Food Lovers Market. There you go guys, so this is basically the future CBD of Gauteng on the making for more than 10 years now. Incredible result, I must say. Okay, also they have a McDonald's here. Also have a Nando's, Open Cafe, BP. So it looks like from there. So cool thing is the convenience, because if you have a house here in Waterfall, you can drop the kids straight away in school, avoiding traffic. Okay, that's another beautiful view from Waterfall. So here we got the Waterfall corner, we got some commercial areas, we got the wilds on your right side, which is that side. They'll also have Polo Fields Crossing. Yeah, so that's the wilds there, lots of restaurants and stuff. Cool place you wanna hang out, you got a cool view then from Waterfall. I'm going there now and show you guys. Okay, so that's the Virgin Active there. And Polo Fields Crossing is just here. You guys can see it there. You guys can see more. Let's see which companies are there. Okay. You guys have an idea how beautiful this place really is. And of course here, Polo Fields. We also did a video about it, so make sure you're gonna check it. Now we're gonna see Polo Fields Crossing quickly.
Okay, so here we got Polo Fields right in front of you, see video down below. And then we got the Polo Fields Crossing, which is just opposite to Polo Fields Residential, right? You guys can see bustling, full of life. Now in front of us we got Waterfall Corner, which has a lot of restaurants, checkers. Then in front of you you also have Transnet, and then we have the Wilds and Ursh and Virgin Active. Then we got another business park, as you can see. Then Waterfall Equestrian Estate very quickly. And now we're getting back again to Polo Fields Crossing.
Okay, so this is actually a very nice hangout area in between the pole and the potato shed and the Godfather here at Polo Fields Crossing. We got a little waterfall lady, smaller version of the London Eye. Okay, so Waterfall Corner is like a lot of stores, checkers, restaurants. Cool view from here. Okay, already inside of the wilds. Everything is chilled during the week. You guys can see the hotels, so Italian, everything you guys can think of. You guys will find it here. Nós temos like Greek cuisine. Hey, you can feel the peace here, eh? Okay, so here's pretty much forward. We got Richest, so they sell appliances and so on. And then we have Virgin Active. Okay. But like I mentioned, schools like Uro. Okay, so here in Mall of Africa, if you go inside next to the restaurant area, they have this weekend, let's say carnival thing. You guys can bring the kids. Awesome shot. These things here that you guys can see now, these containers, this is where the skyscraper is gonna be built. Then of course in the horizon we have what? Santa. It seems like they're doing like a small little park here. The cool thing about this is like you see all these head office, they are just so close to the courtyard hotel. Very, very central. Amazing project, amazing development they did right here. I think it's a good touch. The Salbona, Dumela, taxi. Hello. Very nice. There you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this Waterfall City project 100 billion rand update. Let me know what other projects should I do next. And again, guys, don't forget to share, subscribe and destroy that like button, and I will see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.